sing to this, or you can dream and wish. Manifest for the best, yeah, scream and kick till I bring it to my front door. Man, I want more. I see a vision inside, so that's what that's for. I gotta chase it, patience, much practice, skill with the trade of my craft, so that's what that is. The times you was smoking 7 blunts a day, I was on my 4th floor and turning the page. Then you came out with some hippie dance move, that's cool. I ain't knocking your hustle, man, eat your food. But when I pop, something mystical lift you. It's sorta like you missing some issues. I give it some tissue. It's sad cause the game won't miss you. They come dime a dozen, I know, y'all just clubbing like, yeah, what we doing over here? Team of the year, make a few things clear like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year got y'all niggas scared like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year about to go and get some beer like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year, make a few things clear. And yo, everything pay off. I put in my work. I'm getting checks all month, pay my bills on the first. I wanna pop that shorty, but I get this first. Why you gon' chase ass when it's cash they thirst? Nah, bro, got the wrong idea. Every song I hear without attention, what we doing over here? New Year's like revelations. Bring water or fire, whatever take me out is gon' take me higher. Ain't scared of a flying saucer. Nope, simply I am awesome. Bad news, you try to cross a word. Bring the news to the boss man. They got more potential, but they all ran. Oh man, goddamn, I'm a stone cold thrasher. No sleep over here, more beats over here. Put your glass up, yeah, we about to celebrate. Food on my plate, stay straight, we forever great. Yeah, what we doing over here? Team of the year, make a few things clear like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year got y'all niggas scared like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year about to be up in the leer. Yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year, make a few things clear. Hey, yo, Brenda had another baby. Crazy lady on the bus with no teeth. Dudes with no feet. Pretty meat, I meet us like Bon Appetit. You looking good enough to eat. Yeah, yeah, I'm a freak, nigga. Used to cheat, nigga, but nah, fuck that. Nah, I keep it real, what's up? Nah, don't touch that. Where the love at? Baby, I got that. I can't be tied down, I gotta get those stacks. Wipe your shoes on the doormat, welcome. Do you ever fall off right? Very seldom, to call me the mailman shit. I make payments Monday through Friday, breakthrough, stay bent. Ain't flashy, cool under shade tents. Baby, you ain't gotta go home, could just stay here. Yeah, yeah, I throw it to the crowd. Now everybody with me, say it out loud like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year, make a few things clear like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year got y'all niggas scared like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year got their hands in the air like, yeah, what we doing over here? The team of the year, make a few things clear like, yeah, yeah.
Oh my God! Yeah! Yeah, right! Woo! Yes. Oh shit. Hell yeah.